Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Javi, and today we're going to be hitting a trail that I found on YouTube. It's called Tortolita Pass or something like that. I just saw this guy on YouTube hitting that trail here in Tucson, and it looked pretty easy.
so I can. Oh, come on, car. Let me see what's in front of us before we fly off my mountain.
Can't see it. Woo! Oh, sick.
They're way over there already.
Yo, that's fucking steep.
Look at them flying through there. That is a big boy.
Holy shit.
I can't even see them.
2020, so we're starting 2021 on